In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear storage in Google Drive. If your Google Drive is getting full, this process makes it much easier to find large or unnecessary items and remove them safely. Google provides a built-in storage management area that helps you quickly review what's taking up space, so you don't have to search through everything manually. To begin, go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main dashboard where you normally see your files and folders. Starting here is important because it gives you direct access to the storage tools connected to your account. Once you're on the Google Drive home screen, look to the left-hand column and click on Storage. This section shows you how much space you're currently using and helps you identify where that storage is going. It's a useful place to start because it gives you a clearer overview before you delete anything. After that, click on Clean Up Space. This will open Google's storage management tools where you can review content that may be worth deleting. The cleanup area is designed to highlight common space wasters, which can save you time and make the process much more straightforward. Next, choose one of the suggested categories and click Review. The options may include files in bin, large drive files, or spam emails. These categories are helpful because they group together items that often use up storage without being immediately obvious. For example, files in the bin may still count toward your storage until they're permanently removed, and large files can take up a lot of room very quickly. When you open one of those review sections, click the unchecked box next to the items you want to remove. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting only the files you no longer need. If you're cleaning up large drive files, it can be a good idea to quickly scan file names before choosing them, just to avoid deleting something important. Once you've selected the items, click Delete. That will remove the chosen files and help free up storage space in your account. Depending on what you delete, you may need to repeat the same process in another suggested category to clear even more space. And that's it. By going to Google Drive, opening the storage section, using cleanup space, reviewing suggested items, selecting unwanted files, and clicking Delete, you can quickly reduce storage usage and keep your account more organized.